Hi y'all! Today we are going to be making a cheeseburger rice. Another simple recipe, just one dish. For this we got some ground beef, we got some cheese of your choice, we got some rice, some beef broth, some salt, onion, black pepper, tomato sauce, some cayenne, and some garlic. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright, so our small onion, you can use more onion if you want. It's up to you. We're going to go ahead and chop this thing up. Alright, so once our onion is chopped up, let's go ahead and move over to the stove. Alright, so we're using a pan that we can put in the oven. I put a little bit of oil in there. I'm using cast iron. And then we dropped our onions in and we're starting to cook them. Once that onion begins to cook, we're going to take 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to go ahead and drop that in. As that begins to cook, take a tablespoon of our garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter a teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of our cayenne. Once that beef is cooked, we're going to take 1 can of tomato sauce. That's a 15-ounce can. We're going to lower this heat. Then we're going to take 1 cup of rice. And we're going to take 2 cups of that beef stock. Now we're going to let this come back up to a simmer and just let that rice cook real quick. Alright, once our rice is cooked and absorbed most of that liquid, go ahead and just drop in some cheese. However much you would like, your heart's desire. Mix that in. We've also gone ahead and cut that heat. Then we're going to go over the top, add on some more cheese. It is named after a cheeseburger after all. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees until that cheese on top is melted. At that point I'll bring you back. Hi y'all, it took about 5 minutes to go ahead and get that cheese nice and melted. And there we have it, a cheeseburger rice dish. I'm working on a name. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.